Thank you for the opportunity to share some thoughts with you today at the opening of this first Asian Science and Technology Conference for Disaster Risk Reduction. You are meeting at a critical time in the history of the planet, when many look to the science and technology community for solutions and guidance. Politicians and policymakers are challenged on a daily basis by extreme weather events, poverty, environmental decline, population growth, rapid urbanization, and most fundamentally, climate change. In short, major drivers of disaster risk. Last year was the hottest year on record. We saw a large increase in the number of major heat waves and droughts. Literally millions of people are living with the consequences of the first major El Niño event now visibly occurring on the back of climate change. The January to July 2016 global land and ocean temperature was the warmest such period on record at 1.03 degrees Celsius above the 20th century average. This is a frightening development, considering that in December last year, the world agreed in Paris to try to keep global temperature rises at no more than 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. And the Paris Agreement on Climate Change has still not cleared the threshold for ratification. We need to respond to this crisis with the same sense of urgency which countries in Asia discovered after the Indian Ocean tsunami in 2004, which propelled the creation of the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning and Mitigation System, with the engagement fundamentally of the region's science and technology community. This event you're convening today is a welcome follow-up to the first Unisdr Science and Technology Conference on the implementation of the Sendai framework, which was held in Geneva earlier this year in January. The hosts and organizers of your conference, the Hydro and Agro-Informatics Institute of the Royal Thai Government, UNISDR's Asian Science, Technology and Academia Advisory Group, the Integrated Research on Disaster Risk Program, Future Earth, and many other participants all contributed significantly to the success of that event. Your meeting will help adapt the science and technology roadmap that was agreed in Geneva. You will agree the priorities that are most relevant for Asia, the world's most dynamic, yet most disaster-prone region. The application of science and technology will be one of the featured events of the upcoming Asian Ministerial Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction in New Delhi, India, this November. The outcome document from your meeting will be an extremely important contribution to that conference. I'm very sorry not to be with you on this occasion, but I truly look forward to learning the outcome of your discussions, and I hope your meeting will be a productive one. Thank you very much.